Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. So in today's video I'm going to be ironing my newborn baby's clothes. Baby is still on the way, so I want to get everything ready before she arrives. So in my other channel, Fantastic Favor, I already showed some of the things I bought for the baby. I also showed when I went for shopping. So I already washed. I showed it on that channel how I washed it. So today I'm going to be ironing the clothes, and I decided to bring it to Jessica's space. So you know, why not? Since this channel is all about everything, I thought I should bring this video over here instead of Fantastic Favor. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This might look a bit extra to some people, but trust me, it's definitely worth it in the end. I only do this when I buy new clothes. Like after washing the new clothes, I iron them. This is just for the first time ever use, like the first time the baby will be using the clothes, like some of the items. It doesn't mean I do it every single time I wash my baby's clothes, no, because this is really time consuming. But because we are welcoming a new baby into the world, we need to like welcome our baby with very clean, neat and fantastic clothes, if that makes sense. So I don't want anybody leaving me a very rude comment saying this is just being extra. Do you even really have to go through all of this? If you don't want to watch this video, if you don't want to see this video, just don't click on it. Or in fact, if you click on it and you don't like it, just leave. Okay, it's not for everybody, but if you are interested, just keep watching. It's going to be a satisfying ironing and arranging, and I believe you will find this video helpful. And by the way, if you have not yet subscribed, if you are new to my channel, first of all, you are highly welcome. But if you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing by clicking on that subscribe button down below, and make sure you turn on your bell notification. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy watching it. I'm going to be playing music while I'm ironing and arranging the clothes. I'm not going to be saying anything, so let's get started.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain. Forever young, ever strong, ever brave. Memories like this never end. No, they don't fade away. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. Close to the sun. Here's to the ones who let shine through the rain, the ones who stood for something more. We won't forget your names. The tide is high, say goodbye, we're setting sail. And all those midnight secrets told, we'll take them to the grave. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun. So when I'm gone, oh, when I'm gone, I'll be right there, close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there, close to the sun, close to the sun.